itong Welco Dragons. As we see again, ayan, napakabilis nung pasa Don Dulay ahead to Jairo Ibanez, who goes strong to the basket. But he does not complete his three-point.
But they get the ball back. Courtesy of that offensive rebound. Ito si Rob Wainwright. 9-19. Third quarter na po tayo. Benji Santiago, Peter Martin, Peaches Abirin at Patricia Bermudez. He's on almost for Rob Wainwright. Red Bull on the run. Celino Cruz, walang bantay, but it's a long two. Para kay Celino Cruz, and I do believe his first 2 points in the game.
Easiest points para sa Red Bull Barako this quarter so far. No? Walang kabantay-bantay para kay Celino Cruz. They got a talk on defense itong Welco Dragons.
Bababuli sa walo. Itong namang ng Welco Dragons. Rob Wainwright has it from the outside. Jairo Ibanez gets closer, challenging Mick Pinisi. Wala. Buntik pang matipin ni Mick Pinisi yun. It was just trying to get the rebound. Leo ng Honda. Mick Pinisi. Cyrus Baguio. They better go to Cyrus Baguio more. That's the reason why.
Only 6 points in the ballgame para kay Cyrus Baguio. But you see his, because of the third quarter, he's been taking it inside. Nasa palpal nga lang kanina, pero yung aggression, nakikita na natin galing kay Cyrus Baguio.
He played 30 minutes laban sa Barangay Ginebra, and it's a far cry of an output so far here with only 6 points. 26 yung ginawa niya in their first game in this season. Pinisi to Paulo Bugia. Bugia on the drive laban kay Nick Velasco.
Great one-on-one play galing kay Paulo Bugia. Very confident for his first 2 points of the ballgame.
The silent players right now making noise para sa Red Bull. Add to that, ito si Paulo Bugia driving against Nick Velasco to make this just a 4-point lead para sa Welco Dragons. Kumakatok ang Red Bull. Dihaw. Dr. J. Andy Dihaw pa. Tagal na niya sa PBA. Topex Robinson will pick up his fifth personal foul. Pero mukhang nasaktan itong si Topex Robinson. He was up against Tom Dulay. Patingin nga uli. Ayan, tignan nga natin. Nakita niyo yan, ha? Ganong kadikit. At mukhang naiwanan na Siko. Si Topex Robinson ni Don Dulay. So wala pa rin pinag-iwanan doon sa kanilang mahigpit na pagbabantayan. Samantala, ito, mahigpit na banan for that loose ball. Unproductive pa rin ang Welco Dragons. Red Bull, Juti Valenzuela, firing away, force the shot. Wala. And rebound Welco Dragons. They're down by 11. Don Dulay talking to his teammates. Galaw, galaw. J.R. Reyes. They go to Rob Wainwright. Wainwright squared for the shot. Di mo pumasok. At offensive rebound niya for Nick Velasco. Left-handed. Whoa! Nick Velasco with 12 points in this game.
Officially with a double-double para sa Welco Dragons. Ito si Nick Velasco. Still a good run for Welco. No? Isang good run lang ang kailangan para makabalik in this ballgame.
No choice na yata itong Welco. Kung meron pang nararamdaman na sakit ito si Jody Vance, well, kailangan na siya dito sa laro na ito. Pinapik siya ni Coach Leo Austria. He's ready to check in at the next dead ball situation. In the meantime, Welco is hoping that they could score in this offensive thrust. They're down by 9. Aranya now going to J.R. Reyes. Back to Aranya outside. Aranya, spin. J.R. Reyes, angat. Yes! They needed that. 9 points in the game para kay J.R. Reyes. But look how quick Red Bull is on the offense with Topex Robinson fouled. Going for the shot. At si Dulay ang tinawagan with a foul. So Topex Robinson, may 5 personal fouls na. Ito si Topex Robinson.
Still in the ball game, ano, para kay Coach Gia Vanilla and the Red Bull Barako. Ito na, papasok na yan ang prized rookie ng Welco Dragons. Para kay Rob Wainwright, who also had a good game, Benji. 10 points and 9 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals. Ano? Ito si Rob Wainwright. Actually, missing link also last season para sa Wellcoat Dragons.
Ryan Aranya, they go inside to Joe Devance. Joe Devance, eto Don Dulay. Jumpers in, and it's a T3.
Big shot.
4 points para kay Don Dulay ng Wellcoat Dragons. At ito, just down by 5 itong Red Bull with 8 minutes and 10. Second incursion of delay of the game. They have been warned earlier. So there will be a technical foul.
So after hitting a 3-point shot, akala natin yung tempo mapupunta na sa Wellcoat Dragons. Makabawi naman kagad itong si Junti Valenzuela for his 17th point of the ballgame. At ito maganda, Benji, para sa Red Bull Barako. Last game, we know that ito si Cyrus Baguio came up with 26 points, but you know how the way Red Bull plays, no? 8 players played 25 to 30 minutes in their last game. So it's an equal opportunity in fresh legs mentality para sa Red Bull Barako. Not only in the first game, also in the second game.
Well, ito nga, pinapaigting pa nila yung kanilang scoring. At si Junti Valenzuela hindi na mapigilan dito sa ating fourth quarter. Already, 19 na. Umataw here in the second half. Itong si Junti Valenzuela. Dulay. No connection there. Devance. Wala, pero nandun si Nick Velasco.
Second and third serving para sa Wellcoat Dragons. That's good news, ano, para kay Coach Leo Austria. And you know, you want them to be aggressive dun sa offensive scheme of things because they are not shooting a good field goal percentage.
14 points, 14 rebounds para kay Nick Velasco. Big game also. Missed opportunity here para sa Red Bull, although they're still on top by 6. Joe Devance. May sprain kasi. Yun eh. Hinahabol yung bola sa end line. Anyway, we have a timeout. Let's see what Joe Devance can still do here. They're trailing in this ball game. Down by 6 against Red Bull, 73-67.
Ayan, and of course, he's talking about the Wellcoat Dragons at yan ang bagong innovation ng inyong ABC Sports, your Finalysis. Back to you.
Sabi nga natin, pinapakinggan natin kung anong tumatakbo sa mga isip ng ating mga fans. Pinapakinggan natin sila, binibigyan natin sila ng pagkakataon na maisiwalat yung kanilang damdamin sa ball game, no? At of course,
parang nagtutula.
kumbaga, dagdag lang yan eh. Kailangan mas marami ka na sinasabi ngayon eh. Yung mga tao na yan, susunod yan eh. Baka mapalitan tayo sa ating trabaho. Pinamuna natin ito ating buhay Coke Shot. And it's all brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya buhay Coke, buksan mo. And of course, si Junti Valenzuela, sabi nga natin, siya nagbukas ng napakaraming opportunity para sa Red Bull. Kaya ito, lamang ngayon sila rito ng 6 na puntos. 73-67. We got plenty of people who are watching. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, of course, sa darating na Sabado, dyan sa Rojas, Capiz, dyan naman dadayo. Of course, Wellcoat, ha? Wellcoat na maglalaro dyan. Laban sa Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings, yung ating mga ka-PBA dyan sa Rojas City. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Of course, Benji Santiago. Sama ko po rito si Peter Martin. Tayo mga kaibigan kakilala na hindi nakikinig. Kasi napapakinggan din tayo sa radyo eh. Pag-reach na ginagawa natin eh, no? Because we have our friends from the radio industry also. Carl McFly. The first win para sa Red Bull and at the expense of Wellcoat Dragons who suffered their second setback dito sa ating conference na ito. 86-75 yan ang